All right, Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and welcome to So What's for Dinner, the Mediterranean diet tonight, or actually the new modern Mediterranean diet. So just a quick moment to show you what I'm preparing tonight. Tonight I have two people for testing, and it's Chinese night, so I have a chicken stir fry with vegetables, ginger and garlic, extra virgin olive oil, and the sauce that we're making with soy sauce. And for appetizer, I have a soup. I've been cooking a broth today, so I made a Chinese soup over here with mushroom and green onions, garlic, chives, and I put a little bit of bean sprouts. I cooked some rice, so I'm gonna be serving the stir fry over the rice, and we're gonna start our gas with my famous ciabatta bread. It's cooking over here with a dipping sauce, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. And what is this? Let's see if you recognize it. Yep. Chocolate chip cookies. We're gonna serve 2 cookies for each guest, for each judge. This is a testing of the Meals for Longevity, and this is an example of the recipes you're gonna find online in the next few months. Let's go ahead and finish the cookies together. They'll cook in about 12 minutes. All right. Thank you. See you next video. At time eating well. Bye.